Hello everybody, this is Leanne. So I'm going to talk about my Unit 1 Part 2 project that I did. So in this image, I got a picture of a mushroom and I sat a person on top of it. So what I did here was I got the image from Google, both images from Google, and I create double layer, and with this layer I locked it for a little while as I repositioned the person that's sitting on it, and after that I made a copy of this image and I made a clipping mask, and all I did was just edit out any white parts around it, any weird edges that were around it. So the only problem I did have a little bit of trouble with was there was a little bit, like a few specks of white right there, and I wasn't really too sure how to get rid of that. I tried to clip it again and like manually do it, but for some reason the white just stayed there. But yeah, and then I did a effect and I did a drop shadow right here. This is everything that I did. I didn't spread it out so much because the light that's facing here, and then there's a shadow that's facing this way, and I wanted to make it proportionate. So after I added the shadow, I went ahead and got the burn tool, and I added a little bit of extra shadow on the bottom right here where she's sitting, around her legs and around the areas of her arm over here. And that is all I basically did for this project. Like I said, I tried to feather out and smooth out the edges, and I tried to cover up some of the white spots that were left behind, but I couldn't take out like the little tiny pieces where her hair's at. So yeah, this is what I did for this project. Thank you for watching.